Welcome to Charlie Lost Between the Stars. Charlie was a sleek white street cat with a pinch of ginger and a streak of mischief in his paws. He belonged to no one and everyone, wandering the rooftops of a quiet town, appearing wherever food or a warm lap could be found. But Charlie's true fascination wasn't people or pigeons, it was stars. Each night he would climb to the tallest rooftop, tail flicking, eyes fixed on the night sky. He watched the constellation as if they were old friends, and sometimes, when the world was still, he let out a soft meow just to see if the stars would answer. One night, as a strange green comet blazed across the skies, Charlie followed it with his eyes, and then, without warning, the rooftop vanished from under his paws. He wasn't falling. He was drifting, lifting, floating, up into the stars. Charlie blinked around him was the cold, quiet vastness of space. Stars glittered like a fish in a dark sea. Planet with blue rings spun lazy in the distance. He tried to turn back, but the earth was gone, swallowed behind light years of silence. He wandered, silent and alone, through the cosmos. He curled up on a meteor rock, chased the tails of comets, and meowed into the nebula of shimmered like catnip dreams. But there was no alleyways here, no soft laps, no smell of baked bread, just stars. Charlie, once fearless, began to feel lost. One lonely night, while perched atop a drifting satellite, he saw something strange, an outline among the stars, a shape, a constellation shaped like a cat. It shimmered once, then blinked, like it knew him. The constellation stretched out a paw, made a starlight. Charlie hesitated, then reached out. In a blink, he was soaring, faster than thought, drawn along a trail of stardust and moonlight. And then he landed, not in space, but in tall grass of a familiar rooftop garden. He was home. Charlie yawned, stretched, and looked up. The stars twinkled above him, just as they always had, but now one tiny star near the comet's tail sparkled just a little brighter, as if it were watching over him. And from the night on, Charlie never missed a single stargazing session. After all, once you've been lost between the stars, you never stop listening for them.